Hi, welcome back to Ashwini Trading Academy. If you're new to stock market, this video is for you. Today, I'll share the top 5 mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. Trust me, these are mistakes we have all made at some point, but learning from them can save you time, money, and stress. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Jumping in without understanding. You're all excited about the stock market. That's really great. But many beginners dive in without learning the basics. They start buying stocks because a friend recommended it or because they saw something trending online. So what to do instead? Take some time to understand how the market works, learn about SEBI, exchanges and the type of stocks. A little education goes a very long way. Mistake 2. Thinking it is a get-rich-quick scheme. Let's clear this up. The stock market is not a jackpot mission. Many beginners expect to double their money overnight, and that's a recipe for disappointment. What to do instead? Be patient. The stock market rewards consistency and discipline, not impatient people. Mistake 3. Not managing risk. Beginners often pull all their money into one stock, thinking it is sure shot winning call. When it doesn't work out, they lose big. What to do instead? Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments and only invest money you can afford to lose. Mistake 4. Emotional trading. Ever bought a stock because it felt like a gut feeling or sold in panic because the market was down? Emotions can be your worst enemy in the stock market. What to do instead? Stick to a plan. Set clear goals and don't let fear or greed dictate your decisions. Mistake 5. Not learning from mistake. We all make mistake. It is part of a journey. But the biggest mistake is not learning from them. Many beginners blame the market when things go wrong instead of reflecting on what they could improve. What to do instead? After every trade, ask yourself what went well, what didn't. This way, every mistake becomes a stepping stone to success. That's it. These are the 5 mistakes beginners make in the stock market, and remember, everyone starts somewhere and it's okay to make mistake. What matters is how you learn and grow from them. So beginners, don't do this 5 mistake and hit the subscribe button to know more about stock market, and let me see you in the next video.